Start with the physical, align the frame, remove the inflammation, stop the stress and the blame. The body is an antenna, stop blocking the sign. Stress is the mechanism that degrades the design. The mind maintains the flesh, that is biology's rule. So drop the rigid yoga and let the body be cool. Now the mental plane where the ego plays its game, broadcasting the lack, keeping you inside the cage. Redirect the attention from the problem to the prize. Every time the mind drifts, open up your inner eyes. Now the spiritual plane, the physics of the breath, alternating cycles, putting fear to death. Earth up to the sky, sky down to the earth. An alternating current, proving your worth. Generate the magnetic field, become the attractor. Master the three planes and become the exact fact.